you ever felt life dealt you a rough hand, faced challenges that seemed too great to be overcome, you are not alone. As a man, life will beat you down. And when that happens, people count you out. They'll think you'll never achieve anything. Listen, everyone will always underestimate you. You must make them pay for it. And the only way to do that is by making a comeback. A comeback so great, it shuts everyone up. I still remember when life beat me down. I was lost, hurt, and felt pathetic. But I knew people would love for me to stay down. They'd love for me to never reach my potential. That's when a fire lit within my belly. This is not where my story ends, is what I told myself. That's when I vanished, and I reappeared a few months later to shock the world. You see, we have over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and I'm not even a YouTuber. Let that sink in for a second. FarFromWeak has reached over 1 million subscribers in only 10 months' time, and I'm not even a YouTuber. That's all because I decided to make a comeback, and you can make an even greater comeback than mine. You can learn a new skill, make loads of money, and get into incredible shape, all in a matter of months. And when you do this, you'll notice the people that once underestimated you will start to admire you. I will tell you 4 steps to turn your life around and make the greatest comeback of your life. Number 1, go ghost mode. Most people seek attention. They constantly feel the need to post something on social media because they want validation. Pathetic. Every great man that has ever lived had a period where he wasn't seen by others. A period where no one even knew what he was working on, while he was making moves in the shadows. This is called ghost mode, and it's the very foundation of any comeback. Listen, ghost mode is extremely powerful. You'll accomplish amazing things without distractions of the outside world. But I must warn you, going ghost mode isn't easy. You see, in ghost mode, you mute the outside noise, and when you do that, you are left with yourself. You'll be confronted with your dark emotions when you walk this path. And that's why most people fail to go ghost mode. They can't handle their own darkness, pain, and trauma. So they quickly distract themselves. They'll go back to playing video games or scrolling on social media. But if you really want to make a great comeback, you have to embrace your own darkness. You have to use your dark emotions as fuel to grind even harder. Number 2, learn a new skill. When you've vanished and cut off distractions, it's time to learn a new skill. This is a crucial part of your comeback. Pick a skill that will earn you money and bring you freedom in the future. I advise running a Faceless channel because there are countless ways to make money with it, and it's the perfect combination with ghost mode. In fact, it's what I did when I went ghost mode. I knew nothing about Faceless channels on YouTube. The truth is, I still can't even edit my own videos till this day. I don't create my own thumbnails either. And yet, I run many big Faceless channels that bring in money passively because I mastered Faceless channels during my ghost mode. All the other skills are irrelevant to me. I want you to understand that you don't need 1 million different skills to achieve greatness. You don't have to be good at everything. All it takes is one good skill to change your life forever. Now, you can pick any other skill too. It doesn't have to be Faceless channels. Just make sure you pick a good one and get started fast. Listen, the faster you get started, the sooner you will make the greatest comeback of your life. Most self-improvement dorks don't learn any new skills. They read books and watch YouTube videos endlessly, but never learn a new skill. Why? Because knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. So don't just learn 1,000 random things like the self-improvement dorks that never accomplish anything. But instead, pick a single skill and put it into practice. That's how you win. Number 3. Productive vengeance. The first 2 steps are more than enough for you to make a massive comeback, but I'm going to share something powerful with you to help you push even further beyond. Seek revenge. Think of anyone that ever did you wrong, all your haters, all your enemies, and seek vengeance against them, but not in a violent way. You are going to kill them with success and bury them with your achievements. We live in a snowflake world, and a lot of people will disagree with this. They'll say things like, "You should only do it for yourself." Shut up. This is for yourself. You are using other people for extra fuel. My brother Musa calls this productive vengeance. And to take it a step further, it can even be revenge against events or circumstances. It doesn't even have to be a person. For example, if you've seen your mother struggle to pay the bills as a child, your productive vengeance may be against never having to see your mother hurt like that again. Anything that evokes anger within you can be used. Make a list of your enemies. Write down all the things that caused you pain, and then go on a mission to punish them with your success. Number 4. The list of great. Productive vengeance is using negativity as fuel and competing against the world. It's extremely effective for making a comeback, but you must also compete against yourself. You do this by making a list of great. I want you to think of the man you want to become, the better version of yourself. Now, think about all the great qualities he has. What is the man you want to become doing? Write those things down on a list. I'll give you a few examples. He never gets distracted by entertainment or cheap dopamine when he's on a mission. He carries stress and problems others can't handle. He does not chase instant gratification, but always delays gratification for bigger rewards. He controls his emotions. Make a full list of the qualities that great man has, and put that list up somewhere where you can see it. This way you are constantly reminded to stay in line with that man, and you can correct yourself the moment you're veering off course. And before you know it, you will become that man. In short, all you need for your comeback season are no distractions, a new skill, and endless fuel. Your time is coming. They just don't know it yet. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.